Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the SPTA 5-inch 125mm dual-action random orbital car polisher car detailing kit. This powerful buffer polisher is perfect for polishing and removing swirls, scratches, and defects from all painted vehicles, bringing back the shine of your car. But that's not all. With its 6 adjustable speeds, it can also be used for sanding wood or metal. SPTA Dapset US features a 6.5A dual-action polisher with a powerful 750W motor, making it perfect for all your car polishing needs. It also comes with practical accessories such as coarse and fine compounds, sponge and wool pads, sanding discs, and more. With its variable speed control and constant power function, this buffer polisher is easy to use and comfortable, reducing fatigue and providing convenient operation. Plus, the detachable handle and ergonomic design ensure a safe and comfortable user experience. Don't miss out on this new release at a limited time low price. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the SPTA Dapset US and take your car detailing game to the next level. Subscribe for more amazing car care products and tips, and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to try out the SPTA Dual Action Random Orbital Car Polisher.